Hello students, today we will discuss operations with large numbers part 3 in which we will discuss about two operations, multiplication and division. In the previous video we have discussed about the addition and subtraction operation. So today we will discuss multiplication and division. So let's see the content. The content: multiply, division, word sums in which the operations will use multiplication and division. Simplification: through BODMAS rule we will solve the simplification questions. So let's begin with our first heading, multiplication. Students, here we will discuss how to multiply a number with 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number. So before multiplying any number, the basic table you should know, that is 1 to 9. 1 to 9 table. Without this 1 to 9 tables, you can't solve any multiply question. So first go through once this 1 to 9 table, then you solve multiplication questions. Now let's see here. Here we'll see one table and two table. One table and two table. Now what is your question? 1350. We have to multiply this with 12. Okay, so in this way we are writing. You have studied in 4th class how to arrange a number before multiplying. So this is that only. Now two ones are, first we will start with ones place, this 2. Okay, this 2 we will multiply with the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place. Then the second number is 1, that we will multiply with ones in ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. In this way we multiply a number. So let's begin. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 0 here, and 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place value. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. So here is 7. 2 ones are 2. So here we multiplied only 2. Next is 1. 1 zeros are 0. Okay. Now here students, we have solved ones place. Okay, we have solved ones place. So after solving this, down you can write in ones place, you can write here 0, or else you can cross here. You can write 1, cross here. Okay, so that means this place we will leave because we have solved ones place. So 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 threes are 3, 1 ones are 1. In this way we have solved 1 and 2 table. We have multiplied with this number one by one. Now after multiplying that number, we have to add these two numbers. Okay, here you can put cross also, no issue. Now add it. 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, again 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 5, it's 12, 2 here and 1 is carried forwarded to the next number here. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, and here 1. So your answer is 16,200. Clear? How to solve, how to multiply a number with 2-digit number. Okay. Now here we will, in the next question we will see how to multiply with 3-digit. Here we can see 3-digit number. That 3-digit number is 575. Now the same process we will repeat it here. From ones place we will start. In ones place you can see 5. So first we will solve 5 with, we will multiply 5 with 8, then 5 with 0, then with 5, then 8, then 7. Then again after solving 5 we will move to 7, that means tens place. Then you will solve 7. We will multiply 7 with 8, then 0, then 5, then 8, then 7. Then again you will move to the next place, that is 5. Now 5 again you will multiply with 8, then 0, then 5, then 8, then 7. Means one by one you have to multiply this with this number. Okay. Now let's see. 5 8s are 40, 0 here, 4 is carry forwarded here. Okay, here 4. Then 5 zeros are 0, plus 1, 4. So we wrote here 4. 5 5s are 25, 2 here, 5 here and 2 is carry forwarded. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. So 2 we will write it here and 4 is carry forwarded. Okay. Now 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. So here we will write 39. Now here we solved ones place. So you can write it here 0, or else I said you that you can write one, put one cross also there. Okay. As we have solved that place, that's why. Now next, when you will multiply with 5, 7 into 8, 7, 8, then 7, 0, then 7, 5, then 7 into 8, then 7 into 7. So you will get here somewhat this. Then moving to the next 5. Again here, you have solved students ones place and tens place. Okay, so here you will put 2 cross, or else 2 zeros you will write here. 1 cross and the second here. Okay, or else 0 also you can write, because we have solved ones place and tens place. So 5 8s are 40, so you will start from hundreds place. Okay, 44 0 you will write in hundreds place, not here. So 100 40, so 0 here and then 4 carry forward it. Then the same process, 5 into 0, then 5 into 5, then 5 into 8, then 5 into 7. In this way you will get this number. After that you will add it. You will add this 3 numbers. As we have done in the previous question, we have added here 2 numbers. Here we will add 3 numbers, because here we are multiplied with that number with 3 numbers, 3 digit number. So 3 numbers you will add it and then you will get this final answer. Okay. Coming to the next question, in which we will multiply a number with 4 digit number. The same process students, the one digit number you know how to multiply, 2 digit you know, 3 digit you know now. Now this is 4 digit, so the same process. Okay, one by one you will solve it. So 0 zeros are 0. First you will solve 0 with this all number. Okay, one by one you will multiply with all the digits. So you will get this number. Then 5 with all this digits one by one, you will get this number. Then 1 with this all. Okay, you will get it here. As you can see here in this question, 0. This question 0 is not solved. You can solve it also students, or you cannot solve it, but keep it in your mind that places, like here this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. So here you have to leave that many places. Okay, that place you have to leave it. Like here 4 is in thousands place, so 4's number is multiplied here. So 1 cross, ones place cross, tens place cross, and hundreds place crosses here. 3 cross here we will put, and here 1 cross and 2 cross. Okay, then here 1 cross. As 0 you will get 0 0 0 only. That's why in this question I didn't wrote 0. Okay, you can write also, you can't also. So this way you will get this number. So this is what in your multiplication. Now next is division. Divide. Students, here you know the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. Okay, this is what your dividend. 3441 is your dividend. 22 is your divisor. 156 is your quotient, and 9 is your remainder. This is your remainder. Okay, this is your quotient. This is your divisor. Okay, and this is your this is your dividend, and this is your divisor. Okay, divisor, and this is dividend. Clear? So dividend we will divide with divisor. So 22, here we have to know the 22's table. If you don't know, you can multiply it and you can take it out. Like you can see here, you can see 2 digit. The main thing we have to keep it in our mind here before dividing any number. Okay, the divisor, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So first you will see in dividend that this here 2 digit is smaller than the divisor or greater. Okay, if it is smaller, like here you can see it's bigger. 22 is smaller than 34. Okay, so 34 easily you can divide it. Clear? If a number here is smaller than the divisor, like if here in place of 34, if we can say 12, okay, if it's written here 12, so in that case we will move to 3 digits, okay, because 22 ones are 22, so 12 is a smaller number, okay, so you can't minus it. So here you should have here the greater number than the divisor. If you are not, if you don't have it, you skip, you just take the third digit also, okay. As you can see here, we can easily take 22 ones are 22, so 22 ones are 22. After subtracting you will get here 12. One by one you have to put down the numbers, the digits. Now here 4. After subtraction you will get here 12, and then the next digit you will shift it down, okay, 4. Now it's 124. Now 22, how much are 124? Okay, if it doesn't come in that table, you have to take the smaller number. So 22 fives are 110, the nearest one you have to take. So here ones are, fives are 110. Now after subtraction you will get here 14. Then the last digit you will take it down. Okay, put it down. 1 you will take it down, so you will get it 141. Now again the table of 22 we will read. 22 6s are 132. Okay, so after subtraction you will get it here 9. So this is your division, 2-digit division. Let's see the third, second, the 3-digit, how we divide it with a number. Okay, 3-digit means here also you will see the 3-digit in the divisor. Again here the digit is greater. Okay, so easily ones are 323. Okay, if you will take it twos are, it will be greater than this number, so we have to take the smaller number here, so that we can easily subtract it. So after subtraction you will get 199. Then again 2 you will put it down. Okay, now then 192. Then 323 6s are 1938. Okay, then after subtraction you will get it here 54. Then the last digit you will put it down 2, so it is 542. Now 542, how much? 323, how much are 542? No, it doesn't come, so the smaller number you will take. So ones are again 323. So after subtraction you will get the remainder 212, 219. And what is the question? 161. This is the main answer question. Third, 4-digit, how you will divide it. Here 4-digit means here also you will see the 4-digit number. If it is a smaller, then you take 5 digits here. If it is greater, as you can see here also it's greater. So easily you can take 1464. 6s are 8784. After subtraction, okay, after subtraction you will get here 292, and the last digit you will put it down 8. So 2928. Now how much are 2928? 1464. Twos are 2928. So subtract it. Here you will get the answer 0. It is not compulsory the remainder should be there. Okay, it can be 0 also, or if any number can also come. This is what about your division. Now let's simplification. Now here in simplification we will use BODMAS rule. Now what is this BODMAS rule now? BODMAS, BODMAS. Now each alphabet stands for, B means bracket. Now students, bracket is of 3 types. First is this is common bracket. Second is curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket. Third is square bracket. Now this is the steps you are going to solve. Let's see here one question. In this question you can see the common bracket here, the curly here, and the square here. Step by step you have to solve each. First you will solve the common. Now you can see under common bracket 19 minus 7. So first we will solve this 19 minus 7. 19 minus 7 is 12. So here we will write 12 and common bracket we will remove. Second, is your curly bracket. Okay, so now here we can see 28 minus 12. 28 minus 12 is under curly bracket, so we will solve curly bracket. 28 minus 12 is 16, so here we will write 16 and curly bracket will be removed. Now last is your square bracket. Now under square bracket you can see 5 plus, after subtracting this we got 16, so 5 plus 16. Solve this 5 plus 16, it will be 21. Now here we have solved all three types of brackets. After bracket, now let's see after bracket, second is O. If in a question you can see O, O means if it is an off, if it's written here off, or the exponents are here, the power of is here, so that you will solve secondly. Okay, after bracket. Third is DMAS. This I have explained that this is the series. First you will solve divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction. Now here in this question you can see the subtraction. So after solving brackets, you have solved here the subtraction. So after subtraction you will get the answer 16. So this is what your board mass rule. Step by step you have to solve each. Okay, one by one you have to solve, not together you can solve. Next question, let's see the next question. 83 minus, here is square bracket 29 minus curly bracket 6 divide 3 minus common bracket. Here you can see under common bracket 6 minus 9 divide 3 and bracket here closed divide 3. Then curly bracket is closed here and the square bracket is closed. Now first what we will solve? We will solve common bracket. Now here you can see students, two operations are used on the curly bracket. So tell me which one you will solve first. Yes, divide. Okay, so first you will solve divide. 9 divide 3. 9 divide 3 is 3. Okay, 3. Now after 3, 6 minus 3. You will solve 6 minus 3. It is 3. Clear? That means we have solved here the common bracket now. Now let's see the curly. Under curly also you can see divide is here, subtraction is here, and again divide is here. So here in this case also first you will divide it. 6 divide 3 is 2. Okay, and 3 divide 3 is 1. Under, in between these two numbers you can see here the symbol subtraction, so it is still under the curly bracket. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So in this way we have solved our curly bracket also. Third is square bracket. Now 29 minus 1 you will solve, you will get 28, and then you will solve the subtraction. Here you will get the answer 55. In the same way, in this question also you can see common bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. So in the same way you will solve this. Go through once this question. Now let's see few word problems of multiplication and division operations. First question. Students from 128 schools took part in a speed math competition. Each school sent 62 students. If each student answered 35 questions, how many answers were checked? Okay, students, here total number of schools participated 128. Total number of students from each school 62, means from each school 62 students came, and total number of schools were 128. So tell me students, how many students were participated? You will multiply here the total number of schools and each school students. Clear? You will get here total number of students participated, that is 7,936. Now if each student answered 35 questions, now total number of students were this, okay, and each student answered, okay, how many answers were checked? Okay, so here also you will multiply with total number of students and total number of questions. Clear? So you will get here the answer 2,77,760 answers were checked. Clear? First you will, again in short I am explaining, total number of schools you will multiply with the students, each school students. So you will get here the total number of students participated 7,936, and that total students, total questions, how many are there, means each student will solve 35 questions. The total number of students were this many. So you will multiply it and you will get the answer here. Moving to the next question. To buy a flat, a man paid rupees 47,250 every month for 6 years. How much did he pay in all? Total number of amount a man paid to buy a flat, here we have to find. Clear? So total number of years he paid 6. Clear? How much he paid every month? Every month means in year we have 12 months. Okay, so that means 12 months. Each month he is paying rupees 47,250. So first you will multiply it and you will find out the 1 year amount he is paying. Clear? So with the total amount each month which he is paying with, okay, 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 6 years will be 6 into 12, 72 months. Clear? So total he is paying in each month, that you will multiply with total number of months. Or else students, you can do one more thing. You can directly multiply with this each month and you will calculate for 1 year first and then you can multiply that with 6. Clear? Or else with this process also you can do. Both is correct. So total amount he is paying 34 lakh 2000. Clear? Next question. The product of a number and 165 is 1,20,450. Find the number. Okay. Here one number we know 165 and the other we don't know. Clear? Product means multiply. Means when we multiply two numbers, we get here 1,20,450. Clear? Here we know one number, that is 165. And the second number we will consider it as X, A, B, any alphabet you can take. Let's take it A. I took it here A. Now, students, A we have to find. Now you know very well. Here 165 is multiplying with A. So when we will take it there, 165 there equals to right hand side, it will convert it into divide form. This you know. So when we convert it here, then here it will convert it into division. So here we will get the, after dividing, we will get the answer. The second number is 730. That means when we multiply 165 and 730, we will get answer 1,20,450. Next, the price of a book is rupees 364. A book here means, students, it consists A means 1. What is the price of 245 such books? Means one book price is 364 rupees and we have to find 245. So we know, if we know the price of one book, easily we can take it out. So here one book is 364 rupees and total number of books we have to find here 245. So what you will do here, you will multiply both and you will get here the answer 89,180. Like if one chocolate price we know it is of 5 rupees. So what about 4 chocolates? 4 into 5 we are paying 20 rupees there. Clear? So in that way only we have solved this question. So cost price of 245 books is rupees 89,180. Moving to the last question. Find the largest 7-digit number that is divisible by 3,331. Students, you know very well the largest 7-digit number 99,99,999. This is the largest 7-digit number. 7 digits are here. Now this we have to divide it here with 3,331. In the question we have to find out the largest 7-digit number which is exactly divisible, means without leaving any remainder, which is exactly divisible by this number 3,331. So we will divide it first, and if a remainder comes 0, that means that number is divisible. But here you can see remainder 337. That means this 99,99,999 is not a number, not a 7-digit number which is exactly divisible by 3,331. So with this largest 7-digit number, we will subtract this remainder. What we will do? We will subtract it. As you can see here, I have shown the calculation here. Okay, so finally you will, after subtraction, you will get the answer 99,99,662. So this is what your largest 7-digit number, which is exactly divisible by 3,331. This is the most important question. Thank you.